Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Lazada. Lazada Group is a Singaporean multinational technology company which focuses mainly on e-commerce. If you would like to sign up for Lazada, go and click open a web browser first. Type in www.lazada.com.ph and press the enter on your keyboard. Now, click on the sign up button at the upper right from the official website. To create your account, you can use your phone number or you can also sign up with your email. In order to use phone number, you'll need to enter your phone number in the first text field. Once you do so, slide the green button in order to get SMS code sent to your mobile number. Type in the code and enter your birthday information on the next field. Finally, select your gender and enter your full name on the next field. Make sure to enter your last name first and then your first name last. If you'd like to receive exclusive offers and promotions via SMS, then click on this box and finally click on Sign Up. In order to sign up with email, click on Sign Up with Email option and you'll need to enter your email address in the first text field. Type it in, make sure to type in a valid one, and now slide the slider in order to get an email code sent to your email address. Now click open your email that you received and simply type in the code that has been sent to you. Let me copy the code and go back to the page, and now paste the code in and create a password for your account. Make sure to include a number and a letter on your password, and your password must be at least 6 characters long. You can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner, and after you're done, enter your birthday information by choosing from the drop down. Now, head over to the right side of the screen and enter your full name. Make sure to type in your last name first. If you'd like to receive exclusive offers and promotions, keep the box checked. If not, uncheck the box and click on Sign Up. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for Lazada quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.